Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I polish press-on nails off of the hand using items that I received from the Dollar Tree. Here's some pink polish that I got, some self-adhesive hooks, and I got some glitter, some flake polish, and the natural press-on nails, and some poster tack. And I'll be showing you how I put all these items together to polish the nail off of the hands. So keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if any other videos you would like to see with me doing anything on any type of nails, just leave it in the comment section down below. This is the final look. I'm sure anyone can do this easy method that I did. Go try it out.